Created a database user but they still can't read any table. You forgot to grant permissions. In PostgreSQL, access is always explicit. In PostgreSQL, you control read access with the grant command. The syntax is grant select on table name to username. Let's break that down. Grant starts the command. A select is the privilege, the right to read rows. On specifies which table. And to names who receives it. This four-part structure is the foundation of PostgreSQL permission management. The table name is required, and you can qualify it with a schema, like public.employees, to be precise about which table you mean. The target user is equally important. You can name a specific login user, a role shared by multiple people, or even the keyword public to grant access to every user in the database. Both parts of the statement must be specified correctly for the grant to work. Two more things to know. First, you can't just grant permissions to anyone. You must be the table owner or already hold select with the grant authority. Second, if you add with grant or ptn at the end of your statement, the recipient can pass that permission along to other users. Use this carefully. Permission chains can get complex. Grant select with the correct four-part syntax. Always specify your table and user and make sure you have the authority to grant. Follow for more PostgreSQL fundamentals. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.